Froggy.
Somebody said
Just send her straight to hell, boys.
oh yeah, he's a hog son.
Damn, Todd.
Bro.
What'd you get him on?
Fucking worm.
Worm. He tastes funny. I had a Mr. Fister, that one. Look at her.
Oh, son. That's why you come to Cedar Creek right here, buddy.
I thought she's hung up. Motherfucker ain't got no fish.
I told you, point right here. Big ones right here.
God damn, what do you think he weighs? 4 pounder?
Find out I got a scale. He's over 4. I don't know if he's fine. Gosh. Son, you tore up the morning, son.
He had that one tied up, I think.
Golly, see how long.
Dang, son, that's a unit right there, buddy. How long's been since you caught one like that?
Biggest one of the year.
Yeah.
You know when this shit happens is when you're having a fucked up day.
Todd, that's a unit. I'm gonna say 24.
Goddamn, he's 21, almost 22.
Right there, you can submit him for a Kentucky trophy pin.
Really?
Yes, sir. That's how I caught that big ass hybrid. If I was all pissed off, wouldn't get no bites, threw my shit out and was going to the next spot. About pulled me off the boat.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, on a flicker shad.
I found one of them the other day.
Yeah.
You know, if somebody lost, I put it in the boat.
Todd's on a unit. What'd you catch him on?
Swing jig. God damn, he's a hog, son.
You got one?
Yes.
Where's that?
Right here. Oh, the net right there. On that drawer right there. You fucking read.
He's about to.
Oh, god dang.
Oh, he's a big one. God dang, Todd. I like fish.
Hell yeah.
Son, I'm the best.
He wasn't that big, but goddamn, he ain't as big as that other one. He's a good time for him. He's a lively bastard. Woo!
Look at her, son.
Heck yeah, son. He looks smiling. Hell
Picture
yeah. Good boy.
Swim jig.
Oh shit.
Oh, you're good, huh? Oh man, kiss that crankbait goodbye. It's damn forest here, ain't it? Got him.
Yeah, you do. Oh! Come on.
Damn.
On that spinner bait?
Spinner. Well, he hit it, didn't he?
Smack the shit out of it.
We'll crank that drag all the way down. That drag was loose and I didn't get a hook in him.
That's a fish.
You catch one on that big fucking thing?
No. I did too.
Did?
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till you get it closer.
That's a fish, bro.
God damn, Tom. Oh, good.
I can boat flip him.
Sure.
Yeah, move.
Boat flips. Oh, God.
Fuck.
Listen here, don't you hang one of these fucking big units in me.
Son, that's a hook, ain't it?
God damn. Here, I'll get you a pair of pliers there.
Yeah, they're right there.
Them
good rusty ones.
Listen, I use
catch a fish, it gets tetanus.
I use chicken liver trebles that ain't that big.
And how does that not get hung up? You know what I mean? He blind. Look, he old blind fish. He had one put right in his eye, didn't he?
I'm gonna end up with a pretty good little video today.
Third eye blind. Because he was the third.
I got it.
Well, that was pretty fucking cool.
Todd, you got
one on a big crankbait like that.
You got the hot hand.
I got it's about time. I've fucking been striking.
You've been getting after it, ain't you?
Rough summer.